Good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 3 from verse 20 to verse 35. Now Jesus go back at the house which part him did a stay, and one crowd of people they gather up there. So him and him follower them couldn't get to eat. When him family hear this, them go for him to go take charge of him because them say him a lose him head. The law teacher them when they come down from Jerusalem say him a Beelzebul, the demon ruler in him. A Beelzebul give him power for run out demon. So Jesus call the people them and tell them one little story to teach them something. Him ask them say, how Satan for run out himself? If the people of one kingdom hate them one another and a fight against them one another, that kingdom they can't last long. If the people in one family hate them one another and a fight against them one another, that family they can't last long. And if Satan hate himself and a fight himself, him now would lose him power. Him kingdom now would mash up and not done him would have done for. And nobody can break in a one strong man house and thief out him sitting there. Them would have to time up first. When them time up, at that time they then can take away everything. Me I tell you the truth. People will get pardon for all kind of sin. Even for all of the terrible sin them with them say against God. But nobody will say terrible sin against the Holy Spirit can't get pardon for that. Because them would have sin one sin when nobody can get pardon for. None at all. Jesus said that because them did say him have demon in him. Jesus' real family. Then Jesus' mother and him brother them come to see him. Them turn up out a door and send somebody go call him. The crowd of people who did sit down around him said to him, say, your mother, your brother and sister them out a door for see you. Him answer them say, who are my mother and who are my brother them? Then him look round upon the people them who did sit down around him and say, see my mother and my brother them, yeah? Anybody will do what God said them to do. And my brother, sister, and mother that. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.